video. Today I'm doing my favorite rainy day polishes part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll put the link in the description box. It's just a very quick, soothing, relaxing video where I took the nail polishes outside in the rain. Yes, in the rain. And I just showed you what they look like in the rain with no sound. It's just very soothing. I love the sound of rain. So if you love the sound of rain and you love nail polishes, be sure to check out part 1 of this video if you haven't seen it already. I have 9 polishes to show you. The first 7 are all creams and the last 2 are toppers. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you pictures of these polishes outside in the natural light. I always like to do this because if you've seen any of my other nail polish videos, you know my lighting in here kind of sucks. So I always like to take pictures outside in the natural light so you can really see what the polishes look like. Okay, the first 4 polishes I have to show you are from Urban Outfitters. I never knew that they even sold nail polishes until I saw a video a while back and I decided to order some. This first one is called April Showers, okay, and it costs $5. Most of their polishes cost $5. I do have one that costs $6, but this is just a beautiful lilac cream, and I love the little square bottles that these come in. They're so pretty. And this polish gets fully opaque in 2 coats, and the formula is a little bit runny, so be careful when you apply it, but I'll show you what this looks like on the nails right now. Polish I have to show you is called Overcast, and it's this gorgeous gray cream, and this also costs $5 from Urban Outfitters. This polish has a wonderful formula. I didn't have any problems with it. It takes 2 coats to get it fully opaque, and I just think that gray creams are just so pretty to wear, especially in the fall, but they're also great to wear for rainy days. So let me show you what this polish looks like on the nails. I have to show you is called Head in the Clouds. Head in the Clouds. And this is another gray polish. It's a little bit darker than the other one. And this polish costs $6. And the reason why it costs $6 is because it's one of their mood polishes, which means that it changes color depending if it's hot or cold. So this is a unique polish and it's really beautiful. And the formula is nice. Again, don't like the thin brush, but hey, what can you do? But this is a beautiful polish, and let me show you what it looks like on the nail. I have to show you from Urban Outfitters is this gorgeous, gorgeous charcoal gray cream, and it is called Storm, and that is the perfect name for this polish. It has an excellent formula. It is a 1-coater, yes, and it is gorgeous. It is the one that I'm wearing today on my nails, okay? It's really pretty, guys. So let me show you what this gorgeous 1-coater looks like on the nail. polishes that I had to show you are from Night Owl Lacquer, and this was part of their pluviophile collection. And I had never heard of the word pluviophile. I had no idea what it meant, so I looked it up. Come to find out, it means someone who is a lover of rain, someone who finds peace and joy in the rain. And that definitely describes me. I definitely fall into that category. So the first polish I have to show you is called Find Peace in the Rain. And it's this gorgeous gray teal color, okay? And the formula was perfection. Just a beautiful buttery formula, loved it. It takes 2 coats to get fully opaque. You probably could get away with just 1 coat on a lot of these polishes, but I did do 2 coats, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful polish. So let me show you what this looks like on the nail. Polish I have to show you is absolutely beautiful. It is called Dancing in the Rain, and it's this beautiful gray violet cream. The formula was excellent, absolutely excellent. I had no problems with this except for the brush. And you will see that I was struggling trying to apply this when I show you my little live swatch. Let me show you this brush. Some bull jive right here. Everything was perfect about this polish, except for this brush. I don't know if you can see it, but see how it's sticking out there? That made painting a struggle. Okay, I already struggle enough because my hands are shaky. So it was very difficult to apply, but it does have a nice formula. So let me show you what this beautiful polish looks like on the nail. Polish I have to show you is another gray cream, and it's called the Smell of Rain. But this one is more of like a taupe gray color. It's very, very nice. And who doesn't love the smell of rain? I know I love the smell of rain, especially after like the first rain in springtime or the big first thunderstorm in the summer. When you step outdoors, that smell, whew, it just does something to you. For me, it just makes me feel so peaceful inside. I love it. But anyway, this is a gorgeous polish. It takes 2 coats to get fully opaque. And let me show you what it looks like on the nail. Show you is absolutely adorable. It is this cute little topper called Flash of Lightning, and it is so cute. It's filled with little silver micro hollow shreds and little silver hollow lightning bolts. And I'm gonna shake it up. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because my camera sucks. Oh, okay, can you see the little lightning bolts in there? Okay, it's really cute. I'm wearing it on my ring finger as an accent, and it's on top of Storm. Okay, can you see? It's really pretty, really cute. Cute little topper. Perfect for rainy days. Okay, but anyway, you will have to fish the little lightning bolts out. I used a little cuticle pusher to put them on my nail, because it's hard to just get them on the brush because they're so thick and so heavy. So you really have to shake it up and you have to fish them out of there. But this is just an adorable topper. So let me show you what this looks like on the nail, on top of Storm. Polish I have to show you is another topper, and it is called, what is it called? Light Through the Clouds. And it's so pretty. Look at that. It's filled with purple and blue iridescent shreds that come in different sizes. So I put this on top of Find Peace in the Rain. I probably should have put it on top of Dancing in the Rain because it had purple in it, but I put it on top of Find Peace in the Rain, and you can kind of see it. I probably should have put like 2 coats on there, but still, it's a really pretty topper. So let me show you what this looks like on the So those are all of my favorite rainy day polishes. Of course, I do have a few favorites. My first favorite is from Urban Outfitters, and it is Storm, because I love this dark charcoal gray color. I think it's gorgeous. So that's my favorite. My second favorite is from Night Owl Lacquer, Dancing in the Rain. Hate that brush though. Okay, but love this color. And my third favorite is from Night Owl Lacquer, The Smell of Rain, because I love taupe colored polishes and I love gray polishes, and when you put them together you get the best of both worlds. And I do have another favorite, Flash of Lightning, because I just think this topper is adorable with the little lightning bolts. So comment below, let me know which one was your favorite. And now I'm going to show you the pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.